Yo, Aiden. No lighter in the kitchen. Look for your lighter and come give me. You see me I say? Look for your lighter and come give me. Run through.
Britney, I say you put your hood in her body. Them a follow me, some man himself to body washing.
What? Bang, bang, bang! Bang, bang! What him just said? Yo, the reaction box is in full effect. Hey, they didn't find lighter yet. No lighter in the kitchen? Alright, never mind, make it stay. Never mind, make it stay, make it stay. Run tune.
Pampin and self jump them bean in the coffee.
Boom, 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 bang! What's good, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. I will back with another reaction for you all. Yeah, the energy got there about people. Like and comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. I will post every day 2 to 3 to 4 times for the day. Quite a video get black earlier. I still post a while ago. Because I'm in business. We are going for 10k subscribers. If you're new and your first time, subscribe. The energy high. Why me move so strong? Me no know. Why me be so strong? Me no know. But right now, we have Savage Savo. But them on the time change name. I Savage in name now. Anyways, Cree. Remember Alkaline song we react to yesterday people? His name Cree. So music man I say yo Alkaline Cree. Right now I'm put Alkaline in a sardine 10 people. Yo, the reaction boss is in full effect, you know. Run to 10k subscribers. You go see what go on the people. You go see what go on the people. Run through the people. Run through the one. Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
Alien. Come here, go do the
Hey, people there, you know. Right now, what's the gun there? What the gun there? What the machine there? Right now, I'm for the machine. We can't even find the machine. Alright, I find the machine. I forward. Yeah. Machine now strike. Yeah, man, striker. Alright, run through now.
Pussy, I want to them talk famous. You want get wassy? Sim red and dead and come and trace mama lashing.
Oh, no. No man said the war get wassy people. Yo, man, go back in the song. I see somebody about dead a while ago. Who said that a while ago? Me never hear. Run through now.
Get wassy? Sim red and dead and come and trace mama lashing.
Oh, no. The man said Sim brother dead and then come and chase mama lashing. Remember say how them claims say Curry Clark punch up Jamil face the other day. Yo, the clash HypeMan is in full effect, dog. We miss it clash. We want more clash clash. Yo, run through.
Lift up everything, spin on the car, make a whopping. Catch him up a pain, pan, pull up like a ratty.
Oh. Yo, Alkaline, a papi, the man say I come find you. Who are going today? Yo, Aiden. No lighter in the kitchen. Look for your lighter and come give me. You see me I say? Look for your lighter and come give me. Run through.
Britney, I say you put your hood in her body. Them a follow me, some man himself to body washing.
What? Bang, bang, bang! Bang, bang! What him just said? Yo, the reaction box is in full effect. Hey, they didn't find lighter yet. No lighter in the kitchen? Alright, never mind, make it stay. Never mind, make it stay. Run tune.
Pampin and self jump them bean in the coffee machine. They have a broke phone screen in a chat in the
Yo, Jano. People, right now if Alkaline no answer, Alkaline, yo! The clash HypeMan's in full effect, dog. Yo, we miss them ticket, dog. We miss them mama class ticket, dog. No. I want that. Where you find this? I lighter that?
Yeah. No.
Look at me, see one lighter. Bring it, come give me. Run tune.
Nah, no fuel, them a copy. When I kill a free wheel and them no meal, gun shot at a thump like only feel.
Well, the lyrics I kick. One lyrics I kick, go rock in that song. You know, we miss the clash, you know. I the flashlight today. I want the button. I just said, them dead. Alright. We see what go on that song now.
Nah, no fuel, them a copy. When I kill a free wheel and them no meal, gun shot at a thump like only feel. And turn on the tail and skin up a peel like banana peel.
And them man, they want clash. Who like when them man a clash? What you do?
I'm looking in the house.
We don't need no clash, we don't need no lighter. Oh, good man, come back yourself, man. I saw we like when lyrics are flowing and the clash now. You see me, I say, right now the man head chip. Right now the man head... Man head chip, run through. Run through.
Wheel up and wheel. Check on the game and the pharmacy peel. Man, young ultimate from half for the ill. Send them, took them, sock, I see them, I give to the wire, them still have it.
Hold on, you just hear man say man young out the head. I can't young out the head, they just saying. You know if you use it, yo, make sure we go back in the song and listen. Cause Savage, if I young you say Savage, the song fail. Anyway young you say Savage, the song fail. Any other young you say, I'm my opinion, you know. That mean I come myself if you don't want me, no care what my opinion. Anyhow you him say. Anyhow you him say.
Ultimate from half of the hill. Team them took them sharp like I send them a dip to the wire, them still a drink milk.
Hold on.
Check on the game and the pharmacy bill, man. Young ultimate from half of the hill.
No. No. That slang, that phrase should have never in a year song. Never in a million years. Never. But anyways. Make us go on. Sang Bassi, run through now.
Them took them sharp like I send them a dip to the wire, them still a drink milk. Put them look like a bit in the walk boy like sardine. I want to the blood type.
Oh, Savage, you have so much flow. Oh, it's so bad. Savage, you rub out the man them face, but you shouldn't use the end. Me not lie. Don't come in that video. Because they don't want to see you right now. You see me I say road bearers? You see me I say? See it off. See it off, no man. I know Jamaica come from. It's alright. You flap me show, dog. You left me hanging. Run through.
I didn't gun shot quick and them falling. Friend burn up on silent skin. Kick check life like Charlie.
Yeah.
Run a job like Stalin. Make pussy fly like a...
People, if that song you bad, me want to see BFI emoji in the comment section right now, but you shouldn't use yang. If I song you bad, me want to see BFI emoji, but you shouldn't use yang. If I song you bad BFI emoji, you shouldn't use yang. If that song you bad BFI emoji in the comment section, yo, for 12 o'clock in the night tonight, this a post. Run June.
Dance like a jet, me go murder them boss. And I see some blood clot rifle step cross.
The man say like, how am I gonna murder? Like a jet. The man say like a jet. The man say like a jet, people. The man say like a jet, he make a circle them fast. People, dance all nice, dance all overload. You should have used yang. Run tune.
Them wicked tell them fi step cross. 6 pants bust you up like chicken parts.
Bumbo not. Alkaline, the man say 6 pants I go bust you up like chicken parts. So I don't know why. But the man say 6 pants and I go chop you up fine like a chop of chicken parts. People, if that's how you're bad, be a fire, but you should use yang. But if you know the song for you though, despite for me being the character, how much should you go to tell them to give that song? How much should you give that song? Make the reaction boss now. You see me I say, right now, run tune.
King chips up me go kill them quick. We no bust lip a blood a chip another clip. Gunshot a bust a man a skip a man a dip.
No, sorry, gunshot a boss and man a step and man a dip. Yo, right now, we no Savage Savo. Right now, Savage, if you not answer Savage, you win. Because the man sang name Cree, you say cry Cree. That means you cry Cree no blind. Alkaline. You cry Cree. I'm just the Clash HypeMan that people. I couldn't know from now. The Clash HypeMan is back in full effect, you know. Right now, I don't want to hear. You understand? This video is for entertainment purposes only. We have cherished 10k subscribers. So subscribe to the Bumbo channel right now. You see me I say that. And John.
Catch him, set me for kill you like a pin. Them know me sign can wave my rifle, wave my war, I can wave me.
No man, the man give you on 10,000 different flow than that song. The man said, "Mama say come wave your rifle." Yo, how much different flow you have, brother? How much different flow you have? Yeah, run tune.
Food and I the plate, them group up on no hibernate. It's the guns that dark and fate, terminate to the pearly gate.
Viewers and subscribers, as same I would have say. Me not gonna make a long video for you, so I'm gonna skip through this and go to the last part of you am saying. You see me? Me know chop already. Me don't want to make a big video. Me not like when the video go over 10 minutes, you know. You understand? So you am saying now. What you say now? Talk your talk. No man, Savage, you know the Clash thing go. At the end of your song, you have to talk your talk. Show some words. Talk me the word, you say, yeah, you me a talk. Yeah, bait. Talk your talk, make them know say you're a bad gunman. You see me I say, yeah man, but viewers, someone should give us something out of 10. Right now, that's saying you're bad. And the baddest song in the world. Clash HypeMan, my name. For this, if you're new to the channel and first see me one video, when it comes to Clash song, me and the Clash HypeMan and every song, but that's saying you're bad. That's saying you're bad like when you tell me that's saying you're bad. That's saying you kick out beat it. Be badness and family with us. Viewers, me out of here. You say to big up yourself. Don't know it, chap. I'm out. Wait. We need some more minutes, yo, I go live right now. If you watch that video, my live on YouTube, I play game, I play Fortnite. So editing about 2 Fortnite, come here, edit the video right now. But we need more minutes, hold on. Half a tree. Rascally. Yo, subscribe to my couple channel with me and my girlfriend, with me and Moni and Tyrekejt. It's gonna be pinned in the comment section. Right now, go subscribe to my couple channel. You see me? I could get 1 million subscribers over this. I'm Jamaican, she's American. The thing lit. Yo, I can't say my own now. I get enough minutes. But I had the father. Hold on. Alright. Subscribe. Road to 10K is real. I am out.